Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and to a new video. Today I'm here at Thorpe Park. It's Sunday, the Sunday before Hyperia opens, and I'm at the park today so I can have a little look at it. We've just seen it testing in the car park. Insert the clip just here. But we're heading into the park today and I'm going to have a little look at what's happening at Hyperia. So down by Colossus you've got all the queue lining which is going to be used for Hyperia. Obviously online they posted the map, so all these little barriers, these metal barriers are going to be used for Hyperia's queue line. And of course, like I said, there's a route now to get to Hyperia. So it's going to be a very fun day. They have opened up the area even more and you can see the tarmacking that has taken place for the area just over here. This is currently what you can see. They've of course started putting bark down and that most important Hyperia sign. First of all, you can see the tarmacking. We'll look at that first. If you look over to the right, you can see more of the queue line fence poles have gone up. And there is the Hyperia sign. The entry sign, then of course down below, you've got all the different queue lines and all the barriers have gone in place so far for them. It's looking great. And as you can see just here, all the queue line names have gone up now. And they look really cool, and the whole sign in general does look really cool as well. Obviously that eye was upside down the other day and they have put it now back up the right way. So today they've apparently been testing the splashdown, so we might see that. Who knows if it tests again, but apparently that's what they've been testing. But the whole thing I wanted to share is the fact that the sign is now up and so are the queue line signs, and then you've also got the more barriers and they've started tarmacking and putting the wood pieces down. That's kind of what I wanted to share. And I am back here as well the night before, so we'll do a little update then.
6 Fearless Gallery.
This is cool, the 236 Fearless Gallery. Look how cool that is. I've just launched up. It's testing. The announcement for it just went on. And as you can see, there are no water dummies in.
Why did it go up so fast? Oh my god. Yeah, I would right now. Yeah, right now. I don't care, my guy. But like... No. Oh, guys. Oh, yes, someone else goes. Oh my god. Whoa. I'm not going on that. I'm not going on that. Oh my god. Are there people on there? No. Like a tester? They need like a tester dummy. Yeah, they should test a dummy. Okay, get out of here. Oh. No, but they need a real person. That goes so slow. It looks that fast, but like it's so fast. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at, oh Jesus Christ. I would never go on that.
Okay, so I don't think the splashdown is working at the moment when they're sending it.
Wait guys, you have 9 people. Oh yeah, do you know what they took? They took away that water. So then that's what you did.
They seem to be sending it quite rapidly, like a lot today, which is amazing to see.
They're gonna wear the.
Oh, that is slow.
Oh, the splashdown! There it was. Hey, splashdown!
Oh, that's close. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, it did the thing!
Oh, they pop a little bit.
It's 55 minutes. And also, I'm just rapid and slow. I am waiting for the golden moment, but it's not come yet. how it works. Oh, they're teasing me. Okay, I'll get rid of straws. More faster it looks like. You get rid of your straw cable. It just made it better.
So that is the end of this Hyperia update here on the park, the second to last one. Or this could be the last one. I don't know. I want to get one up for Friday, I think, like on Thursday night, because we're staying in the shark cabin, so we'll have to see. But of course, the splash, it's now working, and we've seen it testing, and everything is coming into place. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video on the channel. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you for Hyperia opening. Bye bye, guys.